We're going to learn how to find the shear and bending moment diagram for this question. The first step is to draw the reaction forces. Point A is a roller, therefore we have one reaction, AY. Point B is a pin, and we have BX and BY. Since there are no external forces in the X direction, BX equals to 0. The next step is to find the reaction forces. We're going to sum the forces in the Y direction. Positive AY plus BY minus 10 equals 0. We have two unknown reactions, therefore we need another equation. So we'll sum the moment about A. The first term is BY. The distance is 3 meters from point A. Since this is going in the counterclockwise direction, and that's what we've assumed as being positive, this term will be positive. Next, we have 10 kilonewtons, which is 4.5 meters from point A. And since this is going in the counterclockwise direction, it'll be negative. Sorry, the clockwise direction, and it will be negative. And then we also have this external moment, which is going in the counterclockwise direction, and this will be positive 30 equals to 0. And BY equals to 5 kilonewtons. We're going to use this value and plug it into this equation and solve for AY, which will equal 5 kilonewton. Now that we have our reaction forces, we are ready to draw our shear and bending moment diagram. So we're going to write our units. This is kilonewton, and this is kilonewton per meter. We're going to start at 0. There is no forces here, so the shear is going to be 0 until we get to this point where we have AY, which is positive 5. Go up, and then there are no external forces here, so it's going to be constant. It's going to be a straight line. And then B is also positive. So we're going to have 10. We're going to add 5. It's going to be 10. And then there's no other external forces, and it's going to be continuous. And then we have negative 10, and we're going to go down. So this is our shear diagram. Next, we're going to draw the bending moment diagram. Since we have an external moment of 30 kilonewtons per meter, which is going in a counterclockwise direction, on the bending moment diagram, it's going to be negative 30. Since there is no shear force here, we're going to have a constant line. And in order to figure out the moment for these two sections here, we must calculate the areas for the shear force diagram. So A1 equals 5 times 3, which is 15. And A2 is equal to 15. Now, negative 30 plus 15, because this is positive, is going to be 15. And because this is a horizontal straight line, we're going to look at our line order chart, and we know it's going to be a sloped line. So it's going to be in this direction. This is also negative. And negative 15 plus 15 for this A2 value is going to bring us back to 0. And because this is a horizontal line, we're going to have a slope line here. And this is our bending moment diagram.